Worried about your home security? Let's talk about the brand new Video Doorbell X3 from 360. It uses the most advanced technology to date, and it only takes seconds to install. The 5-megapixel doorbell camera can capture clear, high-definition images without distortion. When someone enters the front door, you can see all the details clearly.
Hi, it's Nick Pizza here.
With wide dynamic range (WDR) technology, the picture will not lose its details due to the backlighting. And night vision offers you a sharp view in the dark environment. The 360 Video Doorbell has a 30 feet large detection range, a 162 degrees wide viewing angle, and a tall 4:3 aspect ratio. You can also customize the monitoring range to filter the busy sidewalks and roads nearby. With the radar sensor and human detection, you won't be notified when pedestrians or cars are just passing by.
Hi there, what can I do for you?
This is 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
With package arrival detection, there will be no more lost packages. If you are inconvenient to talk, the Video Doorbell replies with a quick reply message.
You can leave it. Thank you.
Simple and fast. When you are alone at home, voice changing function is always a natural deterrent for unwanted guests.
Can I help you?
I know, maybe you don't need it. Intelligent face recognition informs you who is at the door with the message. You can also check and replay historical records through the app. If you are asleep and a suspicious person stays in front of the door, or someone tries to steal the doorbell, it will capture the ordeal, and the doorbell will automatically send a siren to scare them away. You will also receive an alert and a video playback on your phone. You can also install it using screws on the uneven walls and hardwire it. Or you can choose to use its rechargeable built-in battery, which can last 6 months on a single charge, and an extended battery pack can boost it to last for up to 18 months. The 360 doorbell is tough from the inside out. The IP66 waterproof and dustproof design means that the doorbell can be tough on crime even in extreme weather conditions. The X3 doorbell has a customizable ringtone, so you can choose the best wishes to find the holiday cheers. Banking-level end-to-end data encryption guards your privacy, so you don't have to worry about your data being stolen or leaked. 360. Advanced Video Doorbell, sharper.
But today is Johnny's lucky day,
Donnie.
because he's about to receive the gift of a lifetime.
And of course, you again.
Cami doorbell camera with face recognition lets you know exactly who's at the door.
It's so easy to install. You could hardwire it, or you could just use,
Batteries?
batteries.
I'm telling you guys, I don't understand why. I cannot you guys don't understand.
We're taking his gift back.
I will not
You know what?
say
No,
this
we're not
anymore.
going
You
to do
guys
this
don't
again next year. We're
understand.
gonna
Hey, what's happening, Janet? It's my friend Janet.
Cami doorbell camera, smart home security.
Mommy, I home.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Stevens. I have your delivery.
Please leave it around the side of my house. Excuse me, can I help you?
Hello!
Whoa, ho, ho.
With Blurams Smart Video Doorbell, you can talk to whoever's at your door remotely from wherever you are.
Package delivery?
The intelligent voice response works automatically for convenient communications at all times.
Washing our hands.
The free loop recording service saves important data up to 72 hours. No hidden fees, ever. The full event video recording feature guarantees you won't miss anything. Blurams also works with IFTTT, which allows it to be connected to other smart devices.
Welcome home, honey.
Such as door locks, lights, alarms, and Alexa. Smarter and safer. The powerful Blurams app lets you filter specific events, so you see only what you want. Just like this. You can also easily customize the motion detection distance to exclude areas such as busy sidewalks and roads. With Blurams motion detection and anti-theft alarm system, you'll never miss anything. Simple and quick installation in just minutes. Wireless or wired, choose whichever you like. No matter when or where you are, Blurams Smart Video Doorbell is always with you.
Meet the new Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free. This video doorbell is packed with great features. It records in HD video with HDR, has a wide 180-degree diagonal viewing angle, and a unique 1:1 aspect ratio. Optimized for the front door, so you can see a person from head to toe or a package on the ground. Deter unwanted guests with a built-in siren. Hear and speak to visitors with a two-way audio feature. Here's what's included in the box. Attached to the doorbell is the flat mounting plate. The included release pin is used to remove the plate prior to your video doorbell installation. Keep this release pin in a safe place to use later. This is the optional angled mounting plate. Use this plate to provide a better view if your doorbell doesn't face an ideal direction. Here's the long-lasting rechargeable battery and the battery charging cable. This is the wall mount screw kit for mounting. Here's the wire extension kit, in case you need additional wire length to connect your video doorbell when choosing to hardwire to an existing doorbell and chime system to enable continuous charging. The quick start guide will help walk you through the initial setup steps. Setup is quick and easy. Please check out our how-to video for information on how to set up your Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free.
Don't want to spend hours installing an outdoor security camera? Meet DoorCam 2, the revolutionary over-the-door security camera. DoorCam 2 installs in seconds over almost any door, house, apartment, or business. Its simple physical installation makes it easy to relocate wherever life takes you. Just hang it on the door. No screws or wires needed. DoorCam 2 is an outdoor security camera with an indoor Wi-Fi connection, giving you a stronger signal. It can be powered by batteries with free 3-day rolling cloud storage and 160 degrees of 1080p Full HD. You'll never miss any activity and can prevent crime before it happens.
Hey, what are you doing?
You can see, hear, and talk to visitors from anywhere.
I've got a delivery for you.
Great, I'll be right there.
DoorCam 2. Simple, smart, reliable. For a better...
Meet the Ring Video Doorbell 4, the newest version of our signature doorbell.
Hey! Oh, hey!
That works on any home. Get alerts right on your phone.
Hey, I didn't order that for you guys.
Sorry. Color pre-roll video starts recording before you even get a motion alert, so you never miss a moment. It's the first feature of its kind for battery doorbells, and it's only on Ring.
I'll be right back. Okay.
Can't get to the phone? Let Quick Replies take a message for you.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Voicemail for your doorbell? That's awesome!
And they're handy when you've got better things to do.
Sorry, we're not interested.
Even the doorbells now.
And it's all right in the Ring app. Connects with Ring cameras, Ring alarm, lights, locks, and Alexa.
Hey, are you ready? Hey guys, I'll be right there. Awesome.
The Ring Video Doorbell 4. The advanced protecting, message taking, enhanced recording, next generation video doorbell